3 things I hate about lip fillers. Hi, I'm Dr Sunny Dhesi, GP and aesthetic doctor, and also wellness doctor as well, and specialising in women's health, especially perimenopausal and menopausal skin. So I wanted to share with you 3 things I dislike or hate about lip fillers. One is overfilled lips. We see overfilled lips all the time in the media. That's where instead of concentrating on the natural, what we call parameters of the lip fillers have been started from here, and the whole lip is overfilled. It looks like a sausage. Definitely a pet hate. Definitely doesn't look natural, and that's what we're all about in clinic. The second thing is lumpy lips, when the wrong type of filler is used, where what should be used is a soft, gentle, dynamic filler, and instead, to get that projection, the practitioner has used a filler that doesn't sit well above the muscle of the lips. And that's something that we always look out for. And lastly is the Trout Pout, where again the lip has been overfilled, or the vermilion border has been filled when it doesn't need to, losing your lip lines and ending up with a bit of a shelf above. So we still do lip fillers in clinic though, and I'm going to share with you a video now, a very short video of my approach, which is using the right type of filler, addressing the patient's concerns, and I hope you enjoy watching it. This is about 1 ml of RHA2, a very soft filler, useful in the lower part of the face. So some concerns for any patient are lip lines, lower face lines, thin or dehydrated looking lips, and this dermal filler is particularly useful for addressing those concerns. That was a very short video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. You might have to rewind it because it wasn't that long, but it just goes to show that lip lines, lower face lines, and thin, or what we call, in a sense, what lips that look dehydrated, can be volumized naturally, and you can get a natural volumized look. This was this week's newsletter, much shorter, much sweeter, just to keep your attention. I know it's summer holidays at the moment, especially in the UK probably, and anywhere else in the world if you're watching. And I'm Dr Sunny Dhesi. If you haven't already subscribed to the Vysana Life newsletter on YouTube, please do. Any comments about what you've just seen, feel free to comment whether you like it, whether you don't like it. I always appreciate feedback. Thanks very much for watching, and that is this week's newsletter from Vysana Life.